What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Black Opinion, the Tech Guy here, and today we're going to talk about the DJI Osmo Action 4 and does it make an excellent vlogging camera. So for those of you that are new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews, unboxings, and some vloggings every once in a while. And today we're going to talk about the DJI Osmo Action 4 specifically, and well, does it make a good action, or does it make a good vlogging camera? Well, obviously when it comes to action cameras are, as they say they are, they're designed for action. You know, snowboarding, skating, sea doing, things of that nature, hiking, you know, parasailing, things of that nature. But can they also serve as vlogging cameras? Well, actually, yes, they can. I've been using action cameras for quite a while. Had the GoPros, I've had the Insta360s, and now I'm using the DJI. Now, what I love about the DJI and what separates it from the other cameras is the audio that you're currently hearing is coming from a wireless mic directly connected to my Osmo Action 4. Now, you don't really get this option with any other action camera. So you don't get this with the GoPro, nor do you get this with the Insta360. Those you actually have to physically plug in a mic into those, and then you can technically use it as a wireless mic, but you actually have to use something to be plugged into it. With the DJI, really all you need is just the Osmo Action 4, the DJI Wireless Mic 2, and you are good to go. And that being said, it's not really expensive. All you need is just this, and then the simple handheld tripod, and you're good to go. The action camera has stabilization, which is known as rock steady, and you can go even further than that, which is what is known as rock steady plus, which basically gives you even more stabilization with the sacrificing of cropping in on the video. So it does crop in if you are planning on using rock steady plus. Otherwise, rock steady in itself is perfectly fine. Also gives you the ability to shoot and color grade your video, which is known as D-Log for DJI. So basically what it does is it allows you to, it kind of gives you a LUT inside the action camera itself, and you just simply just shoot your videos, then you export it and you can color grade as you wish. You can get a whole host of different types of accessories for this. Right now I'm using the small rig action, or the small rig cage for this, and it does have a cold shoe. You can also use it to mount 4x3, which means if you want to shoot in a 4x3 aspect ratio, you could. Fairly easy, not hard to do. I'm not one for shooting vertical content myself, but if you wanted to do any type of Instagram or Snapchat or something of that nature, you can do that with the DJI Osmo, whereas you can't really do that with any of the other cameras unless you buy like a few separate pieces with it to actually do that. Otherwise, the audio quality out of the mic paired with this is amazing. It has what's known as 32-bit float, which means that if you do tend to peak a little when you speak in your microphone, with the 32-bit float, at least from what I understand, it's designed to kind of alleviate that so that your audio comes out crisp and clear and not crackling or anything of that nature. Now, color quality is really good for the Osmo Action. I've never had an issue with it. I actually think the color quality on the DJI is much better than it is on the Insta360 as well as the GoPro. Now, in terms of other accessories, I have used ND filters for the Osmo Action, and they work pretty well. The ones that you buy directly from DJI itself are perfectly fine. What I like about those versus the other ones is that these you just simply just put onto the action camera, and that's it. There's no having to screw off the cover and then screwing on something else. It just slides on, and that's pretty much it. So if you want to know what the DJI looks like when you're using ND filters for that, if you're able to use ND filters for an action camera, you're really sure if they were worth it, I'll drop a link down below in the description below, as well as up here if you want to take a look at it. Highly recommend looking at it if you like ND filters. Aside from that, battery life is really good on the DJI. USB-C charging, you do get, you can buy a bundle for this, which is known as the Adventure Combo, which you get the action camera, you also get a battery charging case, as well as a, I guess you could call it a selfie stick, but this allows you to extend it out and kind of get those really cool wide angle shots. Now, it does come in three types of points of views. You have your standard, you have your wide, and you have your ultra wide. And again, this just depends on the style of video that you prefer shooting on. I typically just use standard. You can also do zoom ins on this. You simply just hold on the front screen and it pops up a little dial that you can simply just move up and down. And again, what makes this unique also is that both screens can be used at the same time without the battery draining on it, which is actually kind of cool. And as I was just saying, you can use both screens. You can also lock one screen over the other. So say you're doing some videos and you accidentally tap the screen with the screen locked, you don't have to worry about accidentally hitting any features or functions that you weren't intending on doing. You also have the customizable button on the side where it's the power button. It's called CS. You can use this to add custom profiles to your videos. I'm actually using it right now on my DJI. I'm using shooting at 4K at 60 with 1x view, which means it's not cropped in, and this is a customizable setting that I am shooting at 4K at 60. Otherwise, by default, typically it'll be 4K at 25. But yes, this is a very versatile and very handy action camera. Again, I actually have this connected to my windshield right now via a DJI mount that I bought from DJI. Works amazing. And again, there's tons of accessories that you can use to pretty much maximize your action camera. So I'd highly recommend looking at the DJI. It is an amazing action camera. Recommend it to anybody. So that's all that I got for you guys. Again, I want to thank everybody for watching. And again, if you're new to my channel, think about hitting that subscribe button, hitting that bell notification. That way you don't miss content when I drop it. And my name is Black Apino, the Tech Guy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Enjoy your week.